Now we are going to start our new chapter name is conditional and iterative statements. You know about that in Python there are collection of statements. Every program is a collection of statements. Now type of statements, there are three types of statements in Python. Number one, empty statement, which is known as also pass statement. It means it have no statements, means it is just for passing statements. We will do it in an example. Number two is simple statement. Simple statement means single statement. Suppose that you are writing x equal to 10. So now it is a single statement. Now number three is compound statement. Compound statement is a collection of two things. Number one is header. Number two is body. A header is a line which begins with keywords and ends with colon. For example, in if block, we have started this statement, compound statement with this line, if x greater than 5 colon. It means it is starting with a keyword which contain a condition. It is a condition, and colon is the part of it. So this line is known as header. And second is body. It contains more than one Python statement. For example, for checking a number is even or odd, for that program we are writing if n modulo 2 equal to 0 colon. So this is our header. And now the body is taking the indentation. Indentation means we are taking a gap of tab, and here we are writing print even number. So here is only single statement. So a body can contain a single statement or more than single statement. Suppose that 1, 2, 3, 4 statement also is the part of body. So a compound statement is the collection of these two, header and body. Is that clear? Now we are moved to flow of control. What is flow of control? Flow of control means in Python program data is flowing from these three types. Number one, sequence. In sequence, our data is flowing statement to statement, means statement 1, then statement 2, then statement 3. For example, we are taking x equal to 2, y is equal to 3, z is equal to x plus y, and print z. So you can see that here there are 4 statements, and it is a sequence. Suppose that number 1 is, this is statement 1, this is statement 2, this is a statement 3, and this is a statement 4. It means it is flows from first statement to fourth statement. So first statement will perform, then second, then third, and then fourth. So finally output will be how much? Output will be 3 plus 2, z contain 5, so print hoga 5. Is that clear? So this is called sequence. So this is a program which produce sequence of statements. Now second is flow is selection. Selection means we are going to select something. So here we are including conditions. So for selection we did a program like last. We are going to check the number is even or odd, and modulo 2 equal to 0. So here is a condition, n modulo 2 equal to 0. If condition is true, so statement 1 means print even. If condition is false, then statement is print all. So for that we are writing if statement print even, and then else again colon, then print all. So this is a type of selection. Here the data is flowing in selection form. Is that clear? So now next is iteration. In iteration, we discussed before that also. In iteration is also known as looping. Looping means the same task can repeat until condition is not going to false. For example, suppose that we are taking for loop for x in range 1 colon 5, then print Google. It means we started our statement x, which contain a list 1, 2, 3 and 4. You know that the range function is going to exclude 5. So till x value contain 1, 2, 3, 4. So till 4 times that same task, print Google will assign, and after that you will get x equal to 5, then program is going to end. So it means it will perform 4 times. How much? The same task Google is performed 4 times, and output will be Google, then next line again Google, then next line again Google, and next line again Google. So here we can understand the data is flowing in 3 types. Number 1 sequence, number 2 selection, and number 3 iteration. Now we are going to go further. Now we are going to start this if statement. What is if statement? So in this if statement, I am going to show the flow here is condition. If condition is true, then statement will perform. If condition is false, so there is a pass statement, यानी कि no statement. And program going to end. For example, suppose that we have x equal to 5. Now if we are writing a condition over here, x less than 10, condition is true, it means print Google, and after that there is no else statement, it means it is a pass statement. So now in this condition x contains 5 and now 5 is less than 10, it means condition is true, then output will be Google. If x equal to 15, then condition will false and output will no. It means blank screen. Getting? So this is called if statement.